Hey guys, here I am with the Audi TT. We have our little remote control for opening and closing the doors, and yeah, nothing's working. So in this video we're going to replace the batteries and then recalibrate the pill key back to the actual TT, so when we zap it, it'll open. So here we are with our Volkswagen or Audi key. The battery inside it has died, so none of the little zapper buttons work. So what we're going to do is flip it around. We're going to use a kitchen knife and just pry it in there, and that should separate it nice and easily. So now it's in two halves. We don't need this half, so we're going to concentrate on this half here. So when we flip it around, we have this piece of the key, and just at the very back here, we should be able to open it up and take it off like that. This little piece will fall out just out of here. So the little keyring here will actually fall away. That just links into that. So we leave that there. So now we're going to get our, these are the two batteries. We should be able to just pop them out. There's two batteries out. So they were a good brand. There's Panasonic. They're CR1620. They're 3 volt. There's two of them. Some of these keyrings will actually only have one battery. So I have two new batteries to go in. So when we install them, the face is going to face down. So we get that one in. Now we get this next one in. Now when we rebuild it, don't forget to have your little keyring back inside here. It should all fit in, and we should be able to just rebuild it like that. Okay, we have our keyring on, we have the new batteries in, so now all we have to do is just rejoin it and it should all click together. Ta-da! Okay, so here we are back with the TT, and we have the new batteries in the remote controller, the key zapper. So we have lock up here, unlock down here, and open the boot here. So we're going to press the buttons, and that should light up, or you should hear an audible click for opening and closing doors, and absolutely nothing is happening. So what do we do wrong? Because we have brand new batteries in it, it should work. So we have to teach the car there's a new key, or basically the batteries that are replaced, so it's actually lost this memory, so you just have to reteach it. So what we have to do is recalibrate this key to the car, so the car has to learn the key again. So what we're going to do is put the key, or the key blade, into the car. We're going to lock it, hold it, unlock it, and lock it again. Now it's locking and locking. You can see the indicators locking there, and the light here will flash, and also you can hear it. So that's unlock, lock. Great. So we have it now unlocked, and we have the boot also opening and closing. Yep. And of course we can still open the doors, close the doors. And the really nice feature with Audi and most cars is if you hold the unlock button, the windows drop down. One of my favorite features, especially when it's really hot, or if it's really cold or late at night and you want to go outside to lock the car or put the windows back up on a sunny evening. So hold your finger, they go back up. Okay. Oops. So now it's unlocked. Put our key into the ignition barrel. We are in neutral. And the car starts as normal. So that's a win. Okay, and one last time, we close the door and we press the lock button. Perfect. So just to recap, how do you actually get the key linked to the car again? So you put the blade, or the key blade, into the door, lock it, hold it, then you might actually hear a secondary lock, then you unlock it and you might actually hear a secondary lock or unlock, and then you might have to do it once or twice, two or three times, where you lock and unlock the car. Then you should be able to actually use the remote control. If that doesn't work, you may have to put it into the ignition barrel. Just turn on the ignition, turn off the ignition, and then go back. Hold, lock and unlock in certain times, and it should all work. That's literally all I've done, and I'm very happy with it. So thanks very much for watching, guys. I'm delighted to now have my key working again, because that was driving me mad having to lock the car every time I went near the car. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Give a big thumbs up, subscribe down there, and as always guys, thanks for watching. See you later.